drink up.
What? Why?
What do you mean why? The video went over 10,000
There's no
likes.
way.
It did, look.
No way, let me see.
Look.
15,000 likes?
Yes.
Guys, I checked the video a couple days ago. It was at like 4,000. Yo, does that mean I'm gonna have to drink soda?
Yes, you have to. We've all been waiting for this day, especially me. Because ever since I met you, you never drink soda.
I know. She has never seen me drink soda in her life. You guys have never seen me drink soda. 6 years.
You could do it again.
It's not like it was a month. Like if we had a baby 6 years ago, he would have been walking. He would have been to school already.
Yes, baby. I know how age works.
Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I guess I'm gonna be breaking my streak of not drinking soda for 6 years.
Come on, you're gonna break a 6-year streak.
I did tell myself if I ever start drinking soda again, it's gonna have to be Dr. Pepper because it's the best soda out there. But I also got some of the exotic drinks that we have over here. I put them in the fridge and I'm gonna be trying out a few of these as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy me breaking my streak. If y'all do, go down below, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright y'all, so these are the sodas that I picked out. First one, like I said, it's gonna have to be Dr. Pepper, the classic. Next up, we have Fanta White Peach from Japan. Look at this thing. This is a very rare bottle. And then number 3, we have the 7-Up Mojito that we talked about in the previous video. This one looks really good as well. And last but not least, we have the Pepsi Raspberry Zero Sugar. This one apparently is also really good, so I really want to try it. Alright, so before I go ahead and start drinking these sodas, I want you guys to go down below and let's see if we can hit 20,000 likes on this video because I'm breaking my streak. Like, you guys hit 15,000 likes just so I can drink sodas. So let's try to hit 20,000 for this special occasion. I can already smell it. Oh, look at the bubbles.
Did you shake it?
No, but I'm shaking so much, it probably shaked as I was holding it.
Baby, you can do this. You can. Yes, you can. Come back.
Okay, how about we wait until we get to 10 years?
What?
10 years. And at 10 years, I'll break my streak. Once I take this sip, I'm never gonna go back.
Yes, you are.
You know, 6 years of my past life gone.
Oh my God. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Yo, I'm gonna cry.
No, why?
I'm not crying. I'm crying of joy, guys, alright? I'm crying of joy.
You just need another sip.
I gotta go back for another sip. God.
I can't believe this is happening.
Oh yo, how does it feel looking at me drink soda?
I'm not used to it. It doesn't
Pepper.
seem right.
I'm sorry I left you. Too much.
Yeah.
Right.
Cut it off.
Right. Now that I can drink soda again, Dr. Pepper, if you want to sponsor me, emails down below. Anyways, next up we have Fanta White Peach from Japan. Look at the bottle. Look how cool it looks. This is actually a discontinued bottle, so it's pretty rare.
You need some muscle?
Yo, why is it so hard? Cheers to everyone. If you're drinking a soda, cheers. I don't know if it's just me, but it tastes like a beer.
What?
Is it just me or no?
It's just you.
I don't know, guys. My taste buds are all over the place right now. It's alright. Like, out of 10, I would give it maybe like a 6 and
It
a
barely
half.
has any carbonation.
Yeah, that's probably it. It doesn't have a lot of carbonation. Alright, next up, we got Pepsi Raspberry from China. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Okay, so it actually smells good. It does smell like raspberry, but here we go. Cheers again.
Does it taste like diet?
You know what? It does. Alright, I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know if it's just because my taste buds are messed up right now from drinking soda, but it tastes like a diet Pepsi with raspberry flavor. What do you think? It does taste like Pepsi, right? Like for sure.
I don't like Pepsi, so I don't really like this.
All right, last but not least, we have the 7-Up Mojito from France, and I'm actually very excited to try this one, so let's crack it open. Ooh, look at that sound of a soda.
Juice does that too.
Cheers. Here we go.
Oh, I smelt it.
Oh.
No.
Oh my god. I'm not a fan of mint. I don't like mint, chocolate, mint flavor, anything, so that's probably why. But
you did like the mojito.
I do like mojitos, but the way I decide if a soda is good or not is like if I can imagine myself eating it with like some ribs or like a steak. I could not imagine myself eating like a burger with this. It just doesn't go. Don't let my decision influence your taste.
I like this.
You like it?
I do. 1 out of 10, how was the experience?
I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't worth it.
Really?
No, it was worth it. I was telling her before the video started that even though I'm gonna be drinking soda right now, that doesn't mean I'm gonna be drinking soda like every day from now on. And I can't believe it. Like, I feel like I'm in a dream right now. Can't believe it.
You're so in shock.
I am. Gotta put that elbow grease on it.
Elbow grease?
Yes.
I got no grease on my elbows.
You got ashy elbows.
Shut up, I didn't put lotion.
Alright guys, so right now we're packing up the leftover orders that we have from yesterday. Excuse me?
I'm trying to work?
I'm trying to talk.
Oh crap.
Bruh.
This is why you don't help me pack the orders. Like, guys, she forgot the thank you card. Anyways, guys, right now we're gonna go and drop off all of these orders at the post office. This is from like the last 24 hours. We have about 30 orders. Which, by the way, I do want to give a big thanks to everyone that placed an order from the last video. I had a bunch of orders and you guys had me busy for like 2-3 days straight. Can I give you a kiss on the job or no?
No, that's unprofessional. This is a workspace, okay? I don't want to get ridden up by corporate.
I am corporate. You gotta send me an email. Hey, we got more products.
We get it every day.
Yeah, it pretty much feels like it every day now. But guys, this is the reason why I feel like I shouldn't use fragile stickers anymore. Every single box has multiple fragile stickers, right? And look how UPS delivers it. Look at this. That's not even the box no more. That looks like a beanbag. I don't even remember what I ordered. Ooh, look at this. We got some Pringles, bacon, mac and cheese.
Ooh.
These are from the UK.
Look how flat it is.
Oh my god. Okay, these are candies, so I don't think it'll be as bad.
Why would that be on the bottom though?
Look at this. Skittles gummies. I'm gonna put these inside and then we'll go and drop off the packages. Alright y'all, so we're here at the post office. I'm gonna go inside and drop off all the packages that you guys ordered. But before I do that, I do want to mention that I take a lot of pride in how good I package every single box. Like, I can easily grab one of these and like shake it around, nothing's gonna move. I can like throw it and like kick it and like it's still gonna be perfectly fine, you know? So yeah, let's go inside and I'm gonna drop off these orders.
Great demonstration, baby.
Alright, if you guys didn't know, that was a joke. There's nothing in this box. I'm not gonna record this just because, again, if y'all want to see a day in the life video, let us know down below. But yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright you guys, we're stopping by at Sam's Club right now. We're gonna pick up some product because we are gonna go fill up a vending machine. In the last video, I got a lot of comments on people asking me if I still have my vending machines, did I sell my vending business? The answer is no. I'm always gonna be keeping my vending machines. Yo, does that mean you can buy me a whole crate of Dr. Pepper now?
No, you
I'll
said you weren't
drink
gonna
it.
drink it that often.
You're right. I'll come back for you. But guys, look at all these regular drinks. Where the exotics at?
Back home.
If it ain't exotic, I don't want it. Look, regular Sprite, regular Dr. Pepper. The manager sent me a picture of the machine and look at all the snacks. Like, they didn't even buy snacks. Only one row of chips is gone. But the drink section is completely sold out. So we do gotta buy all the drinks. Yeah.
I always do the heavy lifting.
Yeah. Here, I'll hold the door for you.
The water's coming out.
Alright everyone, we're not gonna record much here because it's kind of loud, but y'all can see the drinks are empty. The Red Bull didn't really sell, the Red Monster didn't really sell, but everything else, the soda, the water did sell out. So we're only gonna be filling up the drinks because the snacks is also pretty much full. If you can guess the exact number by the dollar, I'll give you this whole stack.
Okay, then it's not gonna happen.
You're not even gonna try?
I'm gonna say 80.
80? You think this is 80?
No.
This is, okay, I'll give you a hint. This is like a good 50 maybe?
50?
68 bucks. Yeah, so we got a total of $68 with no coins, and of course plus the credit card sales, which I have no idea how much it is. I gotta like check on the computer. Alright everyone, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Again, go down below and drop a like just because I broke my streak after so long. And yes, I know a lot of people in the other video told me not to break the streak because it's such a long time and I'm gonna regret it. But I knew eventually one day I was gonna break my streak, so I was like, why not just do it now? Because for example, if I wait until 10 years, I would have been like, dang it, I should have waited until like 15 years. And if I waited 15, I would have said, you know, dang it, I should have waited, you know, for 20 years. So again, I knew eventually I was gonna break it, so I might as well do it now. And also, if you guys want to buy some exotic snacks, the link is down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Alright, yeah, so quick funny story about the time I almost drank soda one day and broke my entire streak. This was like 2 years after not drinking soda, but I was in high school and I was with my friend. I was sitting next to him and we went out to eat. We bought some food. We came back to class. We were eating our food. He had his cup next to him. I had my cup over here and I grabbed his cup thinking it was mine. I literally grabbed the cup. I take a sip and the Dr. Pepper is in my mouth. Obviously, I didn't drink it. I spit it out. Like, I literally just spit it out on the floor in the classroom.
Ew.
I mean, I had to. I couldn't, like, swallow it.
Baby, technically, you did have soda.
No,
so
I
it
didn't
wasn't
drink
6
it, though.
years.
I didn't
it was
drink
4
it.
years.
I didn't drink it.
You still,
I didn't
yes,
drink it.
You sipped it.
Let me know down below. Does that count? I didn't drink it.
You sipped it.
No,
wait.
I spit it back out.